Hello, knitter. It's Heather here, and today I want to show you this top I made. So, I was on Ravelry, of course, and I came across this super cute shirt. It was Friday of a long weekend, and I'm like, I like to read patterns, so I thought, oh, let me click on through here, see what this is. And I'm like, whoa, that looks like it matches my Baba bulky gauge. And that looks like I get exactly that gauge on a size 11 needle. Before I knew it, it was click, 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 add to cart, and cast on. So I whipped up this adorable one day top. Here it is. You can see the pattern. I did not design this. I just decided to give it a try, and I had a super fun time knitting it. It did not get knit in one day. It got knit more in like 4, then one evening to weave in the ends, and 2 days on the blocking mat. So it basically worked out to I had a new shirt in a week, Friday to Friday. So it was totally fun to make. You can see how it fits. I am 5'11". I'm about a size 12 at the moment, and I made it's listed as the XL, 46.5 inches. So you can see it's actually kind of roomy. It fits really nice. I think it'll be really great for spring. So let me show you how I knit it. And I used, like I said, 3 balls of UU Baba Bulky. And I chose this aquamarine color. I ended up adding about an inch to the bottom because, like I said, I'm tall. And I do think that where I measured, I might have been able to even take the armhole up a little bit. I think that's personal preference, but overall, I really like it. I know I'm going to wear it a ton, and we have a ton of colors to choose from in Baba Bulky. You can, here's the aquamarine that I used, but you could use any. It's such a great base layer, perfect for this time of year or layering all all year. So really, it's kind of one of those like choose your favorite and go for it. Like nice fall orangey saffron color. Maybe you're into purples. The indigo is such a cool color. Black, go with everything. Silver, charcoal, oh, the teal, that is one of my favorite colors. Anyway, you can pick like any color. I do think it'll take you about 3 balls, no matter which size, maybe only 2 on some of the smaller sizes, but I think for safe bet, if you need to check your gauge, 3 skeins of Baba Bulky will get this top done for you, and hopefully you will love it. So I have a little overview of how I made it, and I hope you'll watch. And I hope you'll knit one, of course. So enjoy.
I grabbed a skein of bulky and I cast on. My size 11 needles were perfect. I'm joined in the round and working some increases on every round. Here's my progress after an evening or so of knitting. I did those increases at the top. And then you divide and you work down the back of the sweater. So I have that here now held on some waist yarn. Now I'm working on the front of the sweater. So you can see I am just cruising down before I rejoin and work the body in the round. Now I have joined in the round. You can see my shoulder seams up here and the armholes. You work vertically and then you gently increase out to the underarm. Then, when you've worked both the front and the back, you join, and you can see I've worked a couple rounds past the join. So I'm starting the body here. And you can see here on the pattern, I am just gradually working down the body.
Okay, so here we are on Tuesday morning. I started this on Friday afternoon, and I put it on a barber cord so I could give it a try on. So I'm going to put it on and we're going to take a look at it. Here we are. Whoa. Okay. Oh, of course. Anyway. All right. So let's see. Get the neckline where it wants to be. The armholes there. Oh, sorry, Kuma. So, all right. So if I unroll it, we're right at the top of my jeans, which are kind of low, lower than I normally wear. And yeah, I think I have this much left in my third ball. So maybe I'll just do another round and bind off. Oh, I actually have this much from my first ball too. So maybe I'll work a couple more rounds and then just bind off. Then it'll be a cute, like, 3 balls of Baba Bulky for the, it's with like the 46-inch size. So it's got a little room to it, and I haven't blocked it at all. So I don't know, kind of loving it. Yeah, maybe I'll just add a tiny bit before I bind off. Okay.
It's done. It's so cute. It does have some curling going on at the bind off edge and here at the cast on for the neckline, but I do think blocking will solve it. The armhole has this little bit of a rolled edge. It's cute. So, on to blocking. All right. The sweater has been sitting for a couple days, so I am very excited to pull these pins and see how that curl leveled out. And it looks like it's pretty good. No real problem or curling. I put out those shoulder seams just so they'd lay nice and flat. And look at the bottom edge. Let's pick these out and see how they go. Okay, it's holding. I love it. Okay, moving along. So cute. Yes, look at the drape that's happening. Very nice. Trim my ends and try it on. I'm pretty excited to wear this thing. I love that little rolled edge at the armholes. And yeah, it's just really soft and I know it'll last really well.
Well, there you go. You can see how fun this top is working from the top down. You make that little seam that's right there. I've never worked a pattern in this construction. I had a great time doing it. So maybe you want to go grab the pattern and get your UU Baba Bulky yarn and knit one for yourself. I'd love it if you shared a comment down below, and there's links to the yarn and of course to this pattern all down there. So yeah, are you gonna make one? I hope so. And yeah, definitely keep me posted because I know this is going to be a total staple in my closet. So I hope you make one too, and I hope you love it as much as I do. Have a great day. Happy knitting.